Good morning or good evening whenever you're watching this. Welcome back to my channel.
Good vibes and good times. We should be together all the time. Danny for real, Danny for real.
It has been a long time because of the fact that, stuff.
What?
Y'all know what I'm here for. Y'all know what y'all came to see. Let's get into it.
Anyways, this is the birthday vlog. Okay, everything is giving. Can't talk to me. By the way, this is my real hair, y'all. No sewing this time. I decided to do my real hair, so I had my birthday photo shoot today. And I think it went pretty good, if I do say so myself. Today is December the 4th, and today I had my birthday photo shoot. So I decided at 25 that every year, excuse me. So let me talk to y'all for a second. I decided at 25 that every year, let me lock my doors, honey. Woo, because you don't know in this world. Anyways, I decided at 25 that every year I'm going to do a birthday photo shoot. I do the photo shoot early December, late November. That way I can post the actual pictures on my birthday. Last year, I did it in November. This time, I was very swamped. I have work. I started my career, y'all, and it's got me feeling crazy. So this year, I did it a little bit late, so I had to pay a rush fee so that my pictures will be ready by my birthday. That's how it goes. So anyways, the pictures turned out cute. Okay. If I do say so myself, I mean. God did his thing, okay? Blessings on blessings. Y'all, I'm super excited also to be starting my YouTube channel back. I missed you guys so much, and I have not lost not one subscriber. That is the craziest part to me. That is the part that makes me know I need to continue, because I thought since I wasn't posting and everything that y'all were going to fade away and leave me in the dust, and y'all did not leave me in the dust. So I really appreciate you guys, and I'm really excited to get my channel back popping. So stay tuned. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. This year my birthday will be, surprise surprise, a trip to Atlanta this year. That's the fastest thing I could put together. I live in a different city now than my friends, so it's like a lot more planning involved. Anyways, that's the plan. So next time you see me, I will be in Atlanta or getting ready to be in Atlanta. And yeah, stay tuned. It's my birthday. It is 10:45 and I'm not at work yet because it's my birthday, okay? But no, my job is so awesome because I get my birthday off, and I already took half of it. So yeah, I kind of took my time this morning because I still have another half a day. So I took my time this morning, but I will be at work today. Cry me a river. Even though I'm not there yet, I'm stopping at Starbucks to get something good to eat. Not to eat, I just want like a cute drink. Real quick, I'm at work now, but this is the drink I got, pink drink. I've never tried it before. So we're gonna see. 1 second. Absolutely not. Overhyped. Anyway, that's my opinion. Like, strawberries are cool, but like, I don't know. Maybe it's just this drink. I don't know. This is missing something. That's all I can say. Couldn't decide which cake pop to get, so I got both. Peppermint and birthday cake. Aren't they so pretty? I just got my hair done. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but just got my hair done. Hello everyone. I'm in Atlanta for my birthday this year. Checking into our hotel. And this is on December 16th, so my birthday already passed. And it's just me and my best friend this time. So no big group, but we're still gonna have a great time. Isn't that so cute? After seeing Handel's Messiah at a huge church in Atlanta, it was time to go to my birthday dinner. And then we would go to a fashion show afterwards. Come along with us. This is where we're eating for my birthday. Woohoo! Bree's excited. Right? So pretty. Okay, we are in Atlanta with it in a big A for my birthday. Thank you. Subscribe for my birthday. Thank you. I love the little pretty Christmas lights. I've never seen Atlanta at Christmas time.
8 people is here.
Thank you.
The user will be right with you, okay?
I had to slow-mo this part just to tell y'all. I went to Sugar Factory for my birthday. Sugar Factory is known for their humongous milkshakes. Look at this thing. It's diabetes in a jar, baby, but let me tell you, it was so good. I got the Snickers Insane milkshake, and I think my best friend got the Brownie Volcano milkshake, if I'm not mistaken. Then we had food. I got the quesadilla, and it was all right, but definitely get a milkshake if you go.